right, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Taylor. Today we're going to be installing DSS 2000 horsepower rated axles in my 2015 twin turboed Mustang GT. Let's go. Might need some WD-40.
Oh, fuck.
Jesus.
Wow.
Yeah, no, I would not have been able to get that.
No, probably not.
Well, that's not very tight. I said that one wasn't very tight. No, the... What is this, an upper control arm? Or... No, it's not the link.
That chrome link?
No, it's the one in front of that. Or behind it, this one? That's what I said.
Never mind. This stuff too.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. I can't get any leverage. It's a fucking... I'm too small. Sorry, I suck.
I think I have to go down with this one first, so hold on.
Yeah.
Got it? Damn, alright, muscles.
Well, it's easier to do it on this side.
Nice job.
Ew, that's gross. Ew. Oh. Day 2, because my parts arrived today. We are going to install the new axles, and American Muscle sent me some stainless steel braided brake lines. So we are also going to do the rear brake lines, and then we have to reseat one of these spring... I don't even know what it is. It's just like a rubber piece that goes under the spring and the rear on this side. For some, like, somehow it got, here, I'll just show you. I need a flashlight. So this is the only flashlight that I could find very quickly. This rubber piece right here, right there, this one needs to be reseated under the spring. So that is today's project. Fun part is here. Oh, these are heavy. Just kind of wiggle it in here for a second. I could probably bolt my coilover back up, but now the trick is to not rip the boots that we just replaced. Okay, let me put my leg up here. And I've got to wiggle this up and out. I have a cramp in my toe. Okay, so up, out, push it back. This brake line is in my way. Ow. Yep, that'll do it. That just hit my nose. It didn't feel good. So I'm gonna use my right arm to push that up, push this through. I don't know if you can really see that. Kind of getting it back there. For the most part, it is through. Doing this as one person is also not fun, but you also need to pay attention to the hole, because that's why it's stuck, is I'm trying to put it back and it's not lined up. So let's maneuver this into the right spot. Try to push it in and make sure it's lined up at this point. Oh, I felt it grab. Ouch, my finger. Okay, apparently that's a tight fit. Day 2. Let's see if we can get further today, because I wasted 3 hours yesterday and got absolutely nothing accomplished. So, okay. So, how this should have gone, this is on, I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to do, I don't know what that's called. Also, I threw that yesterday, and my bad. Okay. It's actually a 15. Shoe. I need a reducer for that. Okay. God, I hate gloves. Hate them with a passion. All right, I watched a video because this is the part that I had issues with yesterday. So we put the bottom part in first because it goes in nicely that way. And then this is the part that I struggled with. I hate this car. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Nothing can go back together smoothly. Apparently, this isn't lined up the way that it's supposed to be. Like, okay, well, we're done with that. All right, it took some persuading and some help, and as you can see, some messy hands. And it turns out, so I put the entire other side back together off camera to make sure I wasn't crazy. And I am. Or the axle wasn't in far enough so that I couldn't get anything else lined up. But I couldn't get it to go together, so I had to have Brendan put the axle nut on and tighten it for me so that I could get everything back together. So I have everything back together. I put the rotor on. I got the wheel speed sensor back in. I hate this thing. It's so annoying. This needs to go back in. I think I need... I've got the caliper on. I just need to tighten the bolts on the back side. And then we're going to do the stainless steel braided brake lines while we're at it. But Brendan is going to go through and tighten everything for me because obviously I'm just a girl. I'm not strong enough. So we don't want this to fall apart on me. So... all right, I'm going to summarize my struggles through this video because I feel like it was very jumpy and I didn't get to quite record everything that should have been recorded. Let's start here. Saturday I ordered axles. Shipping said that they were going to be on Monday. So Sunday I decided to take the car apart so that I could get the axles, put them in, be done. The axles did show up on Monday. What I didn't anticipate was the fact that the axles showed up with ripped boots. So that kind of threw a wrench in things. We reached out to the company. They sent us a boot repair kit. I'll have a video explaining how to do that separate from this one. But we had to, well, by we, I mean Brendan, had to repair the boots because I am not qualified enough to do that. He repaired the boots, and then I was going to throw the axles in. Went to throw the axles in, they wouldn't go in. It was a very tight fit. Brendan ended up having to hammer them in very forcefully for them to go, but they did. That was that. I went to go put it back together. One of the axles wasn't going in the hub far enough. I couldn't get it back together. It wasn't lining up. I was able to put the other side back together to make sure that it wasn't just me that was the problem. It was kind of me that was the problem. So Brendan had to come and help me. Well, basically he had to put the axle nut on so that it would pull the axle into the hub, and then I could get everything lined up and put back together. So I had both sides put back together, and he went to put the axle nut on the passenger side, and the threads got messed up on the passenger side, so he struggled for a few hours to try to get that on. We finally got it all put back together. And I haven't, knock on wood, I haven't had any issues with it. So we did the stainless steel brake lines. Everything's back together. Everything's solid. It was just a very difficult process that we went through. So I apologize for not having a video of every single thing. I will drop a separate video of replacing the boots on the axles. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Obviously, I take my personal time to make these videos. I don't get paid by YouTube. So any sort of little thing helps to get my stuff out there so that one day maybe I could be. So anyways, just wanted to say thank you.